I'm going to strip this fender down. I'm gonna try to get it down to bare metal so you can see where all the spots are that need to be replaced. But I could tell right here, this is pretty deep rust. It's not all the way through, but I could tell that I'm probably gonna need to do a little work with that one right there. So it's a different story. Pretty bad right here, but I can do that. I can handle anything. But I gotta take that hood latch off. I mean the hood hinge thing off, and I gotta take that antifreeze, well, the windshield washer fluid thing off. So here we go. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? That's how much I did today. Tomorrow I'll try to get it finished, maybe. I want to just strip the whole thing down, you know. Just get it as perfect as I could. Strip it all down. And now you can kind of see right there. It's, you know, rust pitted. Doesn't look too bad. Right here we got a hole right there. Doesn't look too bad, but definitely needs work right there. And over here it looks all good. Looks pretty smooth. It is 10 degrees outside, and it's a blizzard out there. It's snowing like crazy, and a lot of snow drifts, and the snow just blows everywhere to every nook and cranny. As you can see all the snow blew in under the garage door. So that's pretty crazy. And, let's take a look. Yeah. Look at that. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. So, I guess after I'm done with that fender, I'll either go back to the metalwork or sand this fender down. But I think I'll go back to this. Floor support is almost done here. Then when I get that finished up, I can move on to the floor and all that. But yeah, it's coming along.